co-presidents, honorable members of the ACP-EU Joint Parliamentary Assembly, co-secretary general, excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. Bulavinaka and a very good evening. I think I speak for everyone present in saying the past few days have been a wonderful opportunity to make new friends and bind us together as people and nations. So it is with a certain sadness that I now have the honor to formally close our assembly and to farewell you all on behalf of the Fijian people, on behalf of the Prime Minister of the Republic of Fiji, and the Speaker of the House of the People on behalf of Parliament. When I had the honor on Monday to open these proceedings, I spoke of the importance of solidarity, partnership, as we confront the many challenges of the people we represent, wherever they may be in the world. I don't think there is any doubt that we have kept our faith with them. We still have many hurdles to cross, but I believe that in Suva, we all demonstrated that the ACP-European partnership is one of goodwill. Among the developing countries, we highly appreciate the support we have received and will continue to receive from the people of Europe. And I would ask the European MPs and other representatives present to convey that thanks to your constituents when you return home. To our friends from Africa, from the Caribbean and the rest of the Pacific, can I say that it has been a wonderful opportunity to renew old friendships and acquaintanceship and forge new ones. We have a special bond, born of our collective struggle to improve the lives of our people. And this week has strengthened our solidarity and sense of purpose. As you prepare to leave Suva to return home, sometimes across vast distances, let us rededicate ourselves tonight to the task of improving the lives of the more than 1 billion people in the ACP countries who look to us for leadership. Thank you all for coming to Fiji and for your positive contributions at this gathering. I hope you have enjoyed our hospitality as much as we have enjoyed hosting you. A big vinaka to everyone who has made this historic meeting such a success. And on behalf of the Fijian people, I now say farewell until we meet again. Thank you and good night.